All right, boys and girls, so we are working on adding tens this week. So these have pictures to help us solve adding the tens. So all you have to do is each bundle has 10 sticks in it. So we just have to count by tens and then you know the answer. So 30 plus 30. Let's count by tens. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So what's the answer? The answer is 60. 40 plus 30, let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay? This one's 30 plus 0. That one's pretty simple because anything plus 0 just stays the same. 50 plus 10. So we already know that we have 50 here, so keep counting. 50, 60. Nice. Okay, so 60 plus 20. We have 60 bundles here, and then we keep going. 70, 80. So what's the answer? The answer is 80. Okay? 2. 20 plus 40. Sorry. We have 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. Okay? 10 plus 10, that's easy. That's a doubles. Good. And 40 plus 40, that's also a doubles. What would the answer be? You're right. The answer is 80. Turn it into your teacher when you're done. Turn it over on the back. You're going to see your rocket math. Now remember, all you have to do is do the strategies I've taught you. First, find the number neighbors. Find all of those answers. Those answers are just 1. Then we go back through and we do all of the -1 problems. That's just the number that comes before. Okay, so if you do those, you're going to find almost all of the answers and you're going to be done super quick. It's important to be able to find these math problems, the answers, so that we can do our math more quickly and learn harder things. Okay, so give that a try. And